Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dav Facts. And today we have an exciting topic to explore. The incredible health benefits of eating squid.
Yes, you heard it right.
Squid isn't just a delicious seafood option. It also comes packed with numerous nutrients that can contribute to your overall well-being.
So, let's dive right into it. Nutrient-rich superfood.
Squid is a nutrient-rich superfood that provides an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's low in fat and calories, making it a fantastic option for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. The protein content in squid helps in muscle repair and growth, making it an ideal choice for those who lead an active lifestyle or are looking to build lean muscle.
Omega-3 fatty acids for heart health.
One of the standout features of squid is its high omega-3 fatty acid content. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in supporting heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels.
Including squid in your diet can be a tasty way to promote cardiovascular well-being. Rich in minerals, iron and zinc.
Squid is a powerhouse of essential minerals, particularly iron and zinc. Iron is vital for the formation of red blood cells and preventing anemia, while zinc supports immune function and helps maintain healthy skin. By incorporating squid into your meals, you're not only treating your taste buds but also giving your body a boost of these essential minerals.
Boosting brain health with B vitamins. Did you know that squid is a rich source of B vitamins, including B12 and B6?
These vitamins are essential for proper brain function, helping with cognitive processes, mood regulation, and even preventing memory loss. If you're looking for a delicious way to support your brain health, squid might just be the answer.
Antioxidant properties for cell protection.
Squid also contains antioxidants, such as selenium and vitamin E, which play a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants contribute to overall health and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, by enjoying squid, you're not only savoring a delightful meal but also giving your body the protection it needs.
Conclusion.
As we wrap up today's video, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the health benefits that squid brings to the table. From its impressive protein content to its omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, and brain-boosting vitamins, squid is a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dav Facts, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.